Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am trying to go riding before the rain comes. It's supposed to rain again today. I've not been making very many videos period because purely of the rain. So it's been raining pretty much every weekend. I can't get out and ride before dark during the weekdays, so the weekends are the only chance I have to ride in. Every single weekend pretty much it's been raining. It's definitely kept me off the bike a little bit. So today that's what we're going to do. I'm going to try to get out and ride a trail really quickly along with the little Lacey with us. I have been bringing her on a few trails just to get her used to it, and I don't know, it's kind of scary. She rides in a backpack. On my back I have this pet carrier for her, but it's scary at the same time because I don't want to ride how I would normally ride because I'm just paranoid, like what if something happens? I don't want to hurt her in any way, so we'll see. I'm doing a more tame trail than I tried to do the other time I went. The other time I went, I did this trail that I probably shouldn't have had her on, and it wasn't good, and I tried to film it, and it was such a boring video because I was having to go so slow because I was so worried about her, and yeah. So we're gonna take it somewhat easy today, Lace. See how you do. Bit of an issue. I never have flats. This is just a sign that I need to get tubeless finally. So yeah, coming soon, but I'm not doing that today, so we're just going to swap out the tube. I didn't even know this had a leak in it. I think it's a really slow leak. I thought it was just because I was covering it and storing it out on my porch or on my balcony. And I thought it was just like the cold weather because it's also been really cold in LA, and for LA standards. But actually really cold. It's been like in the 40s and 50s. So yeah, I thought maybe that was just the issue, but it doesn't appear to be, guys. Shouldn't say this, but I've only had to replace my tube one time, and that's been a very long time ago. I think it's just a really, really slow leak, but I want to go ahead and fix that, so obviously so I don't have any issues. Weird thing is I've checked everywhere and I don't hear any leaks coming out of this tube, but also at the same time I think I'm just going to go ahead and replace it because I don't want to have to be dealing with this later on. So I think we're just going to go ahead and replace that. God, my bike is filthy. So the main reason for me even wanting to film this video is I finally got the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I have not yet made a video on this thing, and it's ridiculous because I haven't really been able to ride like I want to. I'm going to go use it today for the first time pretty much and see how it works. I tried it one time before and I had the settings wrong, which is a big thing to note on this. It is kind of a weird thing. You have to have certain settings on for it to work like it's supposed to, so that is something to note. If you don't, it's going to turn out looking like a regular GoPro. Here you go, Mrs. Lacey. Are you ready to go bike? You wanna go bike? You wanna go bike, Lace? This is her bored face. Are you bored? She'll get worse. She starts pouting and going crazy, and I'm not leaving you. I'm taking you with me, woman. Yes, you hear a little squeak? She'll squeak. She's not a barker at all, which is amazing. I'm loving the fact that she does not bark. She's just not even that whiny, really, to be honest. See, I'm a good dog. I'm a good dog. Let's see how this goes. I have my bell on today because there's a lot of people hiking and running right now. Just let my dog hang out in the river, and I don't think she's a big fan. It's kind of cold. She seems like, oh god, my brakes are so wet right now. Oh wait, I just realized my helmet is not on. I'm buckled. Okay. God, this is gonna be annoying. So, for anyone who has done this trail before, and you're wondering why I'm cutting out so much, it's because
there is a river now running through here. It's always this little stream or a trickle. In the summer, then when it rains, it turns into a river. And sometimes you can ride across it. Most of the time you can, but right now, a lot of the portions is not even rideable because it's just really washed away a lot of the trail. So so loud. Don't even need a bell. I haven't ridden this trail in so long, and it's so interesting to see what all the rain's done to it. This used to be pretty steep right here. It's crazy, all the mud and everything that's brought down to it. I don't know what my dog thinks about this. Like, what are you crazy? Making me go in the water. Not gonna do that part. Because dog. I don't know if we can get across this. Oh, we could have. I picked up enough speed, oh well. So I'm wondering if it is just the tent. I don't know. Sorry, Liz. It's supposed to start raining soon. I don't want to get wet or get muddy. So once you get done pretty much with Kinburn, this is what it drops into. This is canyon. It's really a great ride during the summer when I don't want to be out in the heat, because a lot of it's so shaded, so it's good when you don't want to go up the mountain with the sun beating on you, but you still want to get out and get a ride in. And this one's about 8 miles in and out, so not bad. All right, down here is impossible. Cross right here. All right, feet are getting a little bit numb. I'll have to do another ride where I don't have my dog and I'm doing, I don't know, like LP or something to really see how this handles with the GoPro. I think that's the last one I have to do. Cross. Sucks when it's like this because when the trail's good and maintained and on point, it's something you can just beeline through here and it's so fun.